5 days, 4 nights itinerary to Amsterdam from Manila, including the flight, the stopover, and transfer from Amsterdam. We check in our luggage at Terminal 3 in Manila via Emirates. Pass the immigration or passport control and the security check inside the airport before heading to boarding gate, waiting for flight to Amsterdam.
Please only board when your room is announced. We would like to remind all customers to please set their bags.
Stopover here in Dubai. The stopover here in Dubai is depends on your choices. Different time. We choose long enough for us to rest our ears during the flight. And now we are going back to the plane for our flight Dubai to Amsterdam. Just arrived in Amsterdam. We are waiting for our luggage and transfer to our accommodation near the central of Amsterdam. Our tour is do it yourself. We take the train going to our accommodation. But if you have a big luggage, you are the one to transfer, bring it in the train and out. If you make it do it yourself via train.
Eh, pang gabihan naman tayo pa.
Bukas na lang para mga gamit. Wow.
We finish our day, rest at night at our accommodation, which we book online with kitchen so that we can cook our food. And then at the second day, the start of the tour, we go to central of Amsterdam. Since our tour is do it yourself, so we take again the train going back to the Amsterdam Central, and then we walk here, take photo and videos everywhere. We just walk. Weather here is changed in no time. It rains, it's sunny, it's windy. Here in Amsterdam Central, you can take the ferry to roam around the whole central of Amsterdam. They call it the Lovers Boat.
Yung alis naman siya! Sa iba siya nagpunta!
You will find all kinds of public transportation here in central Amsterdam,
Hindi yan tram, bus. Ay, tram naman eh.
from land to water.
Yeah, well.
Just walk. And we find the shopping center. We are in Amsterdam Square. We play with the birds. We feed them. You just pay a voluntary to the person holding the food, and then just open your arms with the food and the birds come and eat the food.
May nilagyan yung ulo mo.
It's relaxing and we enjoy playing with the birds. We take photo and videos everywhere. The buildings are very nice. Everywhere. And then we find a restaurant. We eat a light lunch here. We just try the food.
Dito ba yung gusto mo?
We walk again. This is the good part of DIY tour. You have your own time.
Dalawa tayo.
Eh, ganito ang pwesto. Halika. Picturean mo kami.
The canal.
Ganito oh. Para dalawa.
Kuha mo sa akin. Ay, maganda sa akin kuha yung... Ikaw nga, pizza.
Babe, kuha lang kita dyan sa natutumpang bahay.
The canal here in Amsterdam is one of the tourist destination of all tours.
Marami?
We just take photo and video at the canal. We did not ride the boat because I feel dizzy inside the boat. You can find also stores that sells souvenirs that are budget friendly. We find also an open market for all countries that wants to have store in the open market. We tried the chicken here. The stores here are from different countries. You will see, you will recognize the country because they have the flag in front of the store. The open market is long. It takes you 30 minutes walk. Continue walking. But since we are looking, so
Le jour ta mère elle va se démerder, ça parle pas un mot de.
we take 2 hours here. You can find everything you need here, from fruits, vegetables, cooked food, and clothing. There are many canals that you can pass by or you can ride a boat to relax and see some parts of Amsterdam.
May tao dun sa loob, oh. Marami kanina yan.
We eat also here a pancakes that is salted, not sweet. End of our second day itinerary to Amsterdam from Manila.
Alis sa truck ba?
Third day of our itinerary is in Windmill Village. I recommend this restaurant. It's yummy, the food here, and a very nice view outside of the restaurant. While waiting for our food, we go outside the balcony of the restaurant and take photo and videos outside. And you will see the windmills, the bridge that will open when there is a birds pass by, just like in London Bridge. It will open and close the bridge to let the birds pass by and close to use the bridge for transportation and people to cross the bridge going to the Windmill Village. Sign that the food is yummy. We finish all the food.
Saan yun, me? Spain.
It's yummy.
Punta tayo doon next time.
Now we are here in the Windmill Village. We can find here the cheese factory and the shoes factory, and most of all, the windmills. There are a lot of windmills here. The windmills, they are using it for factory also as electricity. We are now in cheese factory. This cheese factory is inside a private village, becomes popular to the locals and also to public and tourists. So it's become a tourist spot. There are a lot of free taste in the cheese factory. You can eat after eating a lot of free cheese because of the free taste. We transfer at the shoe factory. This is also again inside the village. The village is a private, but since the shoe factory and the cheese factory becomes popular, they become a tourist destination here in Amsterdam. The shoe factory is made of wood. Everything you can see here are made of wood.